y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad y'all came back. So this is going to be a Sunday clean with me. My husband's loft man cave area, our master bathroom, and then our bedroom needs a little bit of cleaning. Y'all be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it really helps my channel, and also the red subscribe button, and leave any comments down below, and hope you enjoy. So I found this, well, I didn't find it, one of my best friends found it and she sent it to me, and I've been using it ever since. It's pretty good. So it's the Dawn blue dishwashing liquid and then vinegar. So it's 2 cups vinegar and 2 tablespoons of the Dawn blue dishwashing liquid, and then I just have an empty bottle here that I'm gonna mix it with. So only thing is, this doesn't make a lot. So you know, you can triple it or double it however you need to. So this is 2 cups, and what this is it's a bathroom cleaner. So you shake it up, you leave it in the bathtub, or I think it's just a few minutes, but however long you want to. And then you can get like a scrub brush and just scrub it off. It's really good, it really works, it's really easy, because I used to have a really hard time, scrubbing my tub, and this has made it so much easier. Now I do try to do it daily, but I haven't been able to do that. But you know, like every other day or whatever, it just kind of makes it easier. So I just want to show y'all that. I'm gonna put the top back on, shake it up, and then this will be my cleaner for both tubs. And I kind of just spray it all around, and just let it sit. And just let it sit. I let the tub saturate, and and then it really gets the tub clean. Although this is our guest bathtub, so we don't really use it. It's not the dirtiest, but you'll see with our other tub really does get it clean. Okay, back to cleaning. Okay, y'all, so you should be able to tell somewhere in the title of this video or in the description, for every view of this video, I am going to donate $1 to, I don't know if it's going to be the George Floyd Fund or Black Lives Matter, but some organization to that is supporting and helping with the racism and discrimination that is displayed and experienced in this country. I know that with everything going on, the protests, the George Floyd shootings, Breonna Taylor, so many different occurrences, incidents, police shootings of black men and women that have been going on for so long in this United States and in the country. I know that this is a hot topic for a lot of people, and I know that there are different thoughts, different opinions, what have you. For me personally, I am a black woman. I think that the senseless killing of George Floyd, looking at the video, the amount of time the police officer had his knee in that man's neck, I think was unexcusable, unnecessary. There was no reason for it, regardless of what he was or was not doing, in my opinion. I think that Black Lives Matter. And I am a healthcare professional. I am a nurse. I do understand that all lives matter. I am not saying, when I say Black Lives Matter, I am not saying that all lives don't matter. What I am saying is that Black lives in this moment matter. They count. Black lives need to have equality. Black lives are the ones being harshly treated by police. Black lives mean something, and people need to care about Black lives. What I see on the news, with police, with the way that a lot of Black men, women, children are treated is unnecessary. And it's not fair, and it's not equal. And I think that there needs to be major reform and change in this country. So I just wanted to do my part to contribute to that. I know that there are petitions, there are videos, there are all types of things that people are doing right now. And I know that people are upset. I know that people are angry. I know there are a lot of emotions. But in this moment, again, I'm not saying that all lives don't matter, but Black lives matter, and people need to see that, and people need to understand that, and people need to feel that, because it is a lot going on in this country and in this United States that needs to be changed. And it's crazy so many years later that some of these things are still going on, and it just makes you wonder, if people were not videoing these things and these things weren't being brought to light, what would really happen? So this is just my part of what I'm doing to help further the Black Lives Matter cause. If you have any questions, if you want to start a conversation in the comments, please be respectful. I have no problem doing that. You can message me on YouTube as well. And thanks for watching.
Okay, y'all, so that is the end of the video. This is the finished product. I hope y'all enjoyed. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and thumbs up. Leave any comments down below, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye!